First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, this is behind the headlight and right there is the plug for the turn signal bulb. All we have to do is just grab the plug and then turn it anti-clockwise. There it is. Now we will just pull out the plug. That is the plug along with the bulb right there. Now we will grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. Just like that. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, it does not matter if it's this way or the other. Both ways are perfectly fine. All you have to do is just punch in the bulb inside and then press it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Just like that. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug back where we took it out from. We will make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, plug is completely in and it is not coming out anymore. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.